Imagine a world where computers can learn and make decisions on their own. They can predict the weather, recognize your face, and even suggest what movie you should watch next. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's real, and it's called machine learning. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of machine learning and understand how it works in a way that's easy to grasp. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our awesome content. We bring you cool and interesting tech videos every week. So, what exactly is machine learning? What is machine learning? Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence, AI, that allows computers to learn from data and make decisions without being explicitly programmed. Think of it as teaching a computer to learn from experience, just like you learn from your homework and practice. How does machine learning work? Let's break it down into simple steps. Data collection. First, we need data. Data is information, like numbers, pictures, or text. For example, if we want a computer to recognize pictures of cats, we need to show it lots of pictures of cats and also pictures of other things like dogs or cars. Data preparation. Once we have the data, we need to prepare it. This means cleaning it up and organizing it so the computer can understand it. If some pictures are blurry or not clear, we might remove those. Choosing a model. A model in machine learning is like a recipe. It tells the computer how to look at the data and learn from it. There are many different models, and choosing the right one is important. Training the model. Training is the most important part. This is where we show the computer our data and let it find patterns. For example, when learning to recognize cats, the computer will look at all the cat pictures and find what they have in common, like pointy ears or whiskers. Testing the model. After training, we need to see how well our model learned. We test it by showing it new pictures it hasn't seen before and see if it can correctly identify the cats. Improving the model. Sometimes, the model doesn't get it right the first time. We might need to adjust it or give it more data so it can learn better. Types of machine learning. There are three main types of machine learning. Supervised learning. This is like learning with a teacher. We show the computer examples and tell it what they are. For example, we show pictures of cats and label them cat, so the computer learns what a cat looks like. Unsupervised learning. This is like exploring without a map. We give the computer lots of data, but we don't tell it what the data is. The computer has to figure out patterns and group things on its own. Reinforcement learning. This is like learning from rewards. The computer tries different actions and learns from the results. If it makes a good choice, it gets a reward. If it makes a bad choice, it gets a penalty. This way, it learns to make better choices over time. Now that we know the basics, let's look at some real-world examples where machine learning is used. Voice assistants. Voice assistants like Siri and Alexa use machine learning to understand what you say and respond correctly. They learn from every interaction to improve their understanding and responses. They analyze speech patterns, accents, and even context to become better over time. Recommendation system. Have you ever wondered how Netflix or YouTube suggests movies or videos you might like? They use machine learning to analyze your watching habits and recommend content that suits your taste. By looking at what you've watched before, they can predict what you'll want to watch next, making your viewing experience more personalized. Email spam filters. Machine learning helps your email service identify which emails are spam and which are important. It looks at various features of the emails and learns to filter out the spam. This keeps your inbox clean and ensures you see the emails that matter. Self-driving car. Self-driving cars use machine learning to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and follow traffic rules. They learn from countless hours of driving data to make safe driving decisions. These cars use sensors and cameras to gather data and understand their surroundings, making real-time decisions to drive safely. Image recognition. Apps that can recognize faces or identify objects in pictures use machine learning. They are trained on thousands of images to learn what different objects look like. This technology is used in everything from security systems to social media apps that tag friends in photos. Machine learning is important because it helps us solve complex problems more efficiently. It can handle large amounts of data and find patterns that humans might miss. Here are a few reasons why machine learning is so valuable. Automation. Machine learning can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up time for humans to focus on more creative and complex work. Accuracy. Machines can analyze data more accurately than humans, reducing errors and improving decision-making. Personalization. Machine learning can create personalized experiences, whether it's recommending products, tailoring news feeds, or customizing learning programs. Efficiency. By analyzing data and making predictions, machine learning can help businesses operate more efficiently, saving time and resources. While machine learning is powerful, it's not without challenges. Data quality. The quality of the data is crucial. Poor quality data can lead to inaccurate models. For instance, if we train a model to recognize cats, but the data includes dogs labeled as cats, the model will not perform well. Complexity. Creating and training machine learning models can be complex and requires expertise. It involves choosing the right model, tuning it, and ensuring it learns correctly from the data. Bias. If the data used to train the model is biased, the model's predictions will also be biased. This can lead to unfair or incorrect outcomes. For example, if a model is trained mostly on pictures of white cats, it might not recognize cats of other colors as well. Privacy. Using personal data in machine learning raises privacy concerns. It's important to handle data responsibly and ensure user privacy. Companies must be transparent about how they use data and protect it from misuse. The future of machine learning is exciting. Here are a few areas where we might see more machine learning applications. Healthcare. Machine learning can help diagnose diseases, personalize treatments, and even predict outbreaks. Imagine a system that can analyze medical images to detect early signs of diseases like cancer, potentially saving lives through early intervention. Education. Personalized learning programs can help students learn at their own pace and in their own style. AI tutors can provide extra help where students need it most, making education more effective and accessible. Environment. Machine learning can help monitor climate change, predict natural disasters, and optimize energy use. For example, AI can analyze weather patterns to predict storms and help communities prepare. Finance. AI can detect fraud, predict market trends, and manage investments more effectively. By analyzing financial data, machine learning can identify unusual patterns that might indicate fraudulent activities, protecting consumers and businesses. Entertainment. Machine learning can create more immersive and personalized entertainment experiences, from video games to virtual reality. AI can design game levels that adapt to your playstyle or create virtual characters that respond naturally to your actions. How you can get started with machine learning. Interested in learning more about machine learning? Here are a few steps you can take. Learn the basics. Start with understanding the basic concepts of machine learning. There are many online resources and courses available for beginners. Practice coding. Machine learning often involves programming. Learning languages like Python can be very helpful. Work on projects. Try building your own machine learning projects. This could be anything from a simple recommendation system to a more complex image recognition app. Join a community. Join online forums or local groups interested in machine learning. Sharing ideas and learning from others can be very beneficial. Stay updated. Machine learning is a rapidly evolving field. Stay updated with the latest research and advancements to keep your skills current. Conclusion. Machine learning is an amazing technology that is changing our world in many ways. From making our lives easier to solving complex problems, its impact is huge and growing. Understanding machine learning can open up a world of possibilities and maybe even inspire you to create something incredible. What do you think about machine learning? Are there any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos? Let us know in the comments. How do you see machine learning impacting your life? Are there any specific areas you're excited about? Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. And remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our awesome content. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more fascinating tech insights.